Mark a 26th year of unbroken democracy. It is right to honor those who have made sacrifices in the past, braving all odds and the guns to ensure we have a regime of democracy in our country. In this light, I announce the conferment of posthumous honors of CAFR on Kudirat Abiola. The heroine of our June 12th struggle. I also confer posthumous honor on Shehu Musa Yar'Adua, GCFR, and Professor Humphrey Nwosu, CON, Rear Admiral Kanu, CON, Balarabe Musa, CFR, Paul Alfred Iwani, CFR, Bagabda Kato, OON, Shimaubani, OON, Dr. Bekora Samputi, CON, Alao Akabasomron, CON, Chief Franco Kori, CON, Ima Ezeazu, Bami, COON, Bamidele Aturu, OON, Frederick Fashem, CON, Professor Festus Iyayi, CON, Dr. John Yimasen, OON, Alaja Sawaba Gambo, CON, Dr. Edwin Madunagu, CON, Dr. Alex Ibru, CON, Shibola Ige, CFR, Ruben Fasoranti, CFR, Senator Ayo Fasami, CON, Senator Polycarp Nwite, CON, and Dr. Nuruddin Oluwokoko, CON. I also have the honor to confer on Professor Wole Soyinka, GCON, Professor Olatunji Dare, CON, the journalist and journalism teacher, Kunle Ajibade, OON, Noza Igebo, Dapo Olonyomi, Bayo Nanuga, CON, Ayo Obe, Dare Babarisa, CON, Bishop Azan Kuka, CON, Senator Shehu Sani, CON, Governor Basani, CON, Barrister Femi Falana, SAN, CON, Professor Shafidin Amowo, CON, Owe Lakemfa, OON, Barrister Luke Aganenu, OON, Senator Tokunbo Afikuyomi, CON, Labra Maku, OON, Kayode Komolafe, OON, Dr. Tunji Alausa, OON, Honorable Abdul Oru, OON, Odia Mfem, OON, Sheye Kinde, CON, Barrister Felix Muka, CON, Barrister Ledumiche, CON, Honorable Olawale Osun, CON, Dr. Amos Akingba, CON, Professor Segun Gbadegeshi, CON, Bolaji Akinyemi, Professor Bolaji Akinyemi, CFR, Dr. Kayode Sonoike, CON, Julius Inyonbere, CON. Lieutenant General Ikuola Alani Akinriyade retired, GZON. Professor Bayo Williams, CON. Senator Abu Ibrahim, CFR. Senator Ame Bute, CFR. Additionally, I conferred the national honor of CON on Uncle Sam Amuka Kwemu, a legendary journalist and the publisher who remained true to his lifetime calling as he marks his 90th birthday tomorrow, June 13th. Furthermore, I also confer posthumous national honor on Ken Saro-Wiwa, CON. He was the leader of Goni 9. With his fellow travelers, Sunday Dobby, OON, Nodu Emo, OON, Daniel Boko, OON, Paul Levera, OON, Felix Owete, OON, Barbobera, OON, Barian Kobel, OON, John Kupen, OON. I shall also be exercising my prerogative of mercy under the prerogative of mercy to grant these national heroes a full pardon. Together with other names that shall be announced later in the conjunction with the National Council of State. Finally, it is my great privilege to now decorate the presiding officers of this National Assembly with the national honor earlier announced. Presiding officers, so please. In conclusion, transparency and accountable government, social justice, active citizen participation, and a just society where no one is oppressed. We must strive harder to hand over a banner to our children and grandchildren without stain. Happy Democracy Day, and may God continue to bless Federal Republic of Nigeria and protect our troops. God bless you all. Thank you.